This is another New Black World Order TV Productions. Chopper. Grand Rising family, what's happened? Again, I appeal to you. Please help us, right? Make 2019 RVA Black Unity Day a success this year. It's going to be the third weekend in July on a Sunday, right? And so every year we marshal and gather the resources, the people, the talents, and skill sets together. So let's make this year a year dedicated to bonding, dedicated to conflict resolution, dedicated to harmony, solidarity of the Black melanated families, right? Let's get together, family. Let's donate. We need food. We need water. We need clothes. We need cash. We need volunteers, right? Let's get it. This is another New Black World Order TV Productions. Chopper.